Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage navigation settings. In the beginning, let's take a look at the radio panel and enter navigation. Now, let's take a look at the screen display. Press the middle button on the left bar and go to settings. In settings, you can select route between fastest, shortest, time, distance and ecological. Also, you can enable or disable tolls, ferries, traffic, change waypoint between strict and close, you can manage voice commands between male and female voice, enable or disable speak road names, and change voice commands volume. Then you can enable or disable alert settings for display speed limits, unfortunately right now I can't turn it on, but also you'll be able to enable or disable audible warning, alert only when navigating, and alert only for over speed. In traffic options, you can change filter radius settings between 100 km and 2 km, enable or disable be advised of new messages, and speak messages. Then simply press confirm. Also, in navigation, you can search for POIs. For example, you can search for bank and you will be led to the closest bank, or you can show all the POIs. In map settings, you can change map orientation between flat view north heading, flat view vehicle heading, and perspective view. In maps, you can check product info, and in aspect, you can select between automatic day and night map, only night map color, and day map color. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.